It's not letting me. There we go. I should be live on YouTube now. Let me just triple check. All right, YouTube testing, testing. All right, we good, we good. All right, so we got 5 minutes till market open. So for now, I mean we haven't really closed below anything, but I'm thinking shorts. I'm thinking we can break to the downside, break below this level, somewhere like around here, probably even here, whatever, depending on what market open wants to do. As long as we don't take out this level, so we can break like right here. Wait, why is it white? Hold on. We can break to anywhere right here. Wait, let me see. Mm, yeah, preferably like around here, not too much. Right here, and then we go back up. Now here's the tricky part. We can either reject from here, like the bottom of the zone here, in the middle, or the top, right here again, the way we rejected here. So obviously the best possible fill will be right here. You know, the good fill would be right here. This would be the latest fill. You know, I really wouldn't want to take this here. I would either want to take this or this. Boom, and then target this lower right here. Example. Woman, I can only TP like around 75. So like around here. I wish I could put my stop above this high, but yeah. So if I'm on 1,000, I need 100 points. Hold on, chat. Just give me like what's up, Jesus? Just give me like 1 minute, guys. I'll be back. Just give me 1 minute. I'll be back. I'll be back. All right, I'm back, guys. I'm back. Oh, look at this! I told you guys. Told you. All right, this looking good. This looking good. What's up, Jay? What's up? Then I was thinking, yeah, Tracy looks nice. Yeah, Tracy looks fire. Mm, I mean, it's looking like we're gonna fill the imbalance too, so that's good. All right, now we just gotta wait for this kind of close. A retest. Like I said, this is gonna be the tricky part. Maybe here. Here would be the best fill, but here would be the basic. Yeah. All right. Okay. How many cons? I'm gonna use around seven. Seven cons. Now let's hope we don't just sell off right off open, because if we do, then that's no. Come on, we gotta we gotta retest. Ooh, there's a lot of volume here. Hold on. All right. Let's hope we don't. Let's hope we don't hit TP before the retest, which is possible, but let's hope not. Yeah, I'm gonna do seven. I don't know. I mean, I'm debating whether to do 5 or 7 right now. I mean, this looks really clean. This looks really clean. The only issue I have is the orb is a little bigger than I would like, but it's fine. That's like the only thing that's stopping it from being like a perfect setup. Everything else is good. It's just this, bro. No way we're gonna hit TP before the retest. Seriously. Come on, you gotta give me entry and then hit TP, bro. Come on, what are you doing? Come on, chat. Someone go short so the market can pump. Come on, that retest, bro. That retest. Shorts off this high would have printed. But where's the MR? All right. Just don't take out TP. Oh my god, yeah, we just yeah. This was an obvious short, guys. I just didn't get my entry. Boom. Sheesh. Man, that's on bull. Alright, we can potentially reverse from here. I was right. I was right. Reason being is because we just simply rejected off here and rejection off the middle, even though we never broke to the downside or to the upside. Ever. Well, yeah. He asleep. Yeah, he asleep. All right, let's see if we can close below this level, this yellow line. We could, depending on how strong we retest, we could retest this again and then keep going down, potentially even down here. I mean, that's about it for me. That's like 300 points. But if we close above, then we could probably reverse from here. We just gotta wait and see. That would be nice if we can hold that long. All right. Yo, did my thing freeze? Or is just price not moving? Yo, what's going on? What's going on? There we go. All right, we closed above. All right. We could potentially see a reversal here. Temporarily, permanently, who knows? We- I'm thinking we could probably reverse if we reject from these levels. That would be nice. But then again, since we already took out this, both these levels actually, this one and this one, we could maybe, just maybe, just completely inverse the orb, so we can break to the upside, retest the middle and go back up, take out the other, take out the other levels here. This was the retest I wanted before taking this out, bro. If only this was happening before this level was taken out, it would have been good, bro. We would have already been in shorts. Well, not right now, but potential shorts. Hold on, let me. Yo, Albert, what's good, bro? Let me just make this little quick announcement. Uh, mm, 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 mm. I know it's a long message, but you don't gotta read all of it. It's basically the Lucid Lives, yes. Albert, you seen it, bro? Lucid has a live account. I mean, daily. Hell yeah, man. I'm gonna try to I'm gonna try to get some to give away. Yeah, man. Lucid has daily live account, daily payouts now. There we go. I forgot to send the screenshots. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Let me just send the screenshots real quick. I'm looking at the chart. We still don't have anything. Mm. There we go. All right. No. The eval is a 50% consistency, bro. That means you can pass within 2 days. Man, what are we rejecting all, bro? This consolidation or what? Just reject it. Like, I mean, why not reject off this level? You know, I'm like, you're right there. You know. But yeah. No, the fund that has no consistency. Yeah, but the most you can make like on a 50K is 8,000 a day. You know, which is like really really good. I think if you hit the 8,000, you get moved to live instantly. So, oh look, we tapped this level right. Now we missed it by a little bit. Yeah, it's still fire. The only problem that I have that's still not pretty clear because some people are saying it does, some people are saying it doesn't. That the sim funded, like the funded stage, not the eval, is a interday drawdown. So if it is, it's I mean it's whatever. I mean it sucks, but it's still worth daily payouts. Yeah, that's what people are saying. But let me show you. Hold on. Oops, I'm gonna do that. All right. So look, let me just make sure. All right, we can low key reverse here, but let me just show you real quick. All right, so you choose end of day, whatever. Uh, but when you click funded, it says funded rules interday. People are saying that you can change it, but people are saying that it just stays as interday. So the eval for sure you can change it. I mean, here it says on off etc. But the sim funded, it's yeah. I mean, I mean, it sucks, but I mean, I don't know. I mean, I really, really, really hate intraday drawdown. Like, I genuinely hate it with everything. Intraday drawdown is just not it, bro. It's meant for you to fail. I mean, what do you expect? I mean, it's daily payouts. They're not trying to make you. They're not trying to make you bankrupt them within one day. Because if you full port, for example, right? Let's say I full port, boom, I'm up 2,000 right now. And if it goes back to break even, like even the slightest 10, 15 points, which it moves a lot, it's gonna stop you at break even. And if it does, your account's blown. Whereas end of day drawdown, you would not have made anything. So yeah, you gotta trail aggressively or just preferably take full profits. Whenever you're trading an intraday, the goal is to like TP, like literally, like for example, say I'm in right here, like TP like right now, you know what I mean, like at the peak price, not set my stop right here, because if I do set my stop here, I'm probably gonna lose like around 500 worth of drawdown, 600, 300. I remember one time, bro, I forgot that my account had intraday drawdown, so I was up like around how much? How much was that? Like around the I think like around 2,000. And then I looked at my drawdown. My drawdown was only 1,300. And I was like, damn, no way, man. So like, I mean, I won, but then again I lost because, my drawdown was like cut in half, basically. So I don't even know how much I was trading, but I forgot about it. I forgot about intraday, and it cooked me. Man, I knew we was finna feel this imbalance, bro. I knew it was just we didn't get our entry. I got my entry, but I didn't take the trade. What was your entry? I mean, for me, I really ain't get nothing. 15-minute gap. Which one? 15-minute gap. Mm, this one or yeah, no, I ain't get my entry. Sadly. I mean, it's looking like we're gonna continue to the downside. So I would probably risk some shorts here. Probably do only like 5 cons to be honest. If I do take this. If I take it, if I even get entry. 8 a.m. uh, yeah, I guess. Yeah, beautiful retest. What are you talking about? Ooh, okay, I see now. Yeah, it's looking like we're just gonna keep on going down, yo. What was it gonna? Oh yeah, what was I gonna show? Hold on, I forgot. Uh, oh yeah, Albert. Look at this, bro. Uh, what's this? I want to show you guys a sneak peek. All right, look at this, bro. Look at this. Look at that. I you see this, and then you click enter. All that. I'm still not nowhere near done. I'm still not done. I mean, like here, like this part is basically probably a couple adjustments to this and that here. This part, like this, we're not getting no retest. Like all these, basically the same layout, but these were auto-filled by AI. So I'm gonna like fill them myself. You know what I mean? Like this price is not. Like I ain't even add this. You know what I mean? Like I'm talking about just the layout in general. But yeah. I think it looks cool. Can you hear me, Jay? Or is it just Albert? I switched between my phone and my PC. All right, can you hear me, Albert, or not? I'm not the only one. I know. Huh, that's weird, Albert. Maybe leave and rejoin. All right, can you hear me? Yo, Albert. Right now, right now. Hello, hello. Albert, Albert, Albert. Uh, no, I don't know what's going on with this junk screen. Not you, Salah. No, I'm not done, Salah. I ain't getting my retest. I mean, if you were here earlier, I basically said we were gonna go take out this level easily. I just didn't get my retest. I went in with nah. I was gonna go here. I was gonna go here maybe, but look, we missed it by a couple points. So it is what it is. I'm probably gonna short here though. Probably. If it takes too long, then I'm not shorted at 2470. Damn, all the way down here. Bruh. 30 points. Hey, at least you caught something. I ain't catch nothing yet. I'm back. It's fixed, gang. Alright, bet. Yeah, I was just showing you this Albert. Oh, look, let me refresh it real quick. Oops. Look. I mean, it's just the layout idea. I mean, this, like what you're looking at right now, it's basically like kind of finished. I mean, probably adjust a little bit here, maybe, you know, or just a little extra stuff. But this is basically finished. What is not finished, what is not finished is the this all the way down here. I mean, this is probably. I mean, it's because this was outer, like it was what's it called? It was filled in by AI, you know. So this is gonna be the layout around there. You know, for example, all this was filled by AI. Like the price, like this is not what I'm, you know, like this is just auto filled, but it's just the layout. You know what I mean? Let me show you. No, I'm not I never had, like, this dude. I like the way it looks though. Look at this. I mean, click enter and everything. That's peer to peak. I think it looks cool. What do you think, Albert? What do you think? Actually, if I with looks like it's hacking. Yeah. Man, come on, man. Why can't we retest, bro? It's already about to be 10. We're about to start chopping. We need more stars on the right side. You talking about my what I showed you? Or oh yeah. We're just gonna reject off this. This here. At the end, it's up to you. Yeah, and what are you yapping about? Long story short, I spent the 5 6 years. What are you yapping about? Fucking so loud, bro. I swear. Man, come on, man. You can't be doing this, man. It's fucking said that it doesn't matter when you lose and win if you end up at the end of your straight, you'll be okay. Just learn to master your stride. Yeah, I mean he's right about that. Basically just be consistent. Yeah, I mean just basically be consistent. Um be consistent and over I mean you have to have a 33.333333% win rate with an average of 1 to 2, and you would be break even. So if you have anything above 40% with a 1 to 2, you're profitable. I mean over 1 year. You know what I mean? Like so let's say for example this whole entire year I had a 40% win rate. My P&L, assuming I don't crash out, I follow my rules and everything for a whole year, my P&L is gonna be up. My P&L is gonna be in profit. You know what I mean? Your PP. Yeah, it's gonna be up your butt. That's what it's gonna be. Nah, but yeah, I mean, you got a 40% win rate on 1 to 2. So anything above 55%, then you're like insanely profitable. Everybody's over here trying to have a 90% win rate, 80% win rate. You really don't need it. I mean, yes, it's good for your mental health because you don't take much losses, but you don't really need it. Man, we're gonna go take out my final level, bro. I'm about to full port this junk. Albert, you're like 3 minutes late, bro. Alberto. Nothing is still up. Yo, little no care. What you take, bro? I yeah, you could have held, but I mean, it's obviously going to go for this lower here. I mean, that's literally what I was saying. I'm just not getting no pullback, bro. Like, I mean, yeah, it's a little pullback, but it's not a good enough pullback, you know. What you take though? What you take? Jose, all right, GG's upper, GG's. TP gotta fill the gap. Yeah. Yo, no care. Is that an eval by any chance, or is that a PA? First furniture, the 10 shorts. Yeah, make sure you follow the 50% rule, bro. If it's a flex. We dump into a gap. Expect the gap. People start panicking. Well, let me explain to you here in the live. So basically, 50% of rule, bro, is you can only make 50% of your total profits after passing. So, for example, you can pass once you reach 53,000, right? That's 3,000 profits. 3,000 profit in profit. You know, $3,000 in profit. So 50% of that is 1.5, right? So you can only make 1.5 max in a single day. So I see that your PNL is up around 1,917. So you're gonna have to lose 400. Yeah, yeah. I'm talking to a little no care. How can I safely lose 400 right now? Um, you know, send me send me a screenshot like of your like here. You see, oh, you put your own. Wait, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It's a lot. Yeah, try to 400. Let me see. I mean, if you want, you can just try around. I think five is good. I think you could do five. Just do 5, and then once you see negative 400, if you want to be safe, like around 380. So once you see negative 380, bro, boom, exit, 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 exit. I best allow. But um, little no care, probably take a little bit more. No, little no care. It's not worth it, bro. Trust me, because you're gonna have to make basically 2,000 tomorrow. It's. I mean, you could leave it as is, but I wouldn't recommend it. Yeah, what Goku said. I'm not getting a single setup today, yo. What is this, bro? I mean, it's an obvious short, but I just can't go short just because. Yeah, bro, just lose 380 to be exact. Just to be safe. I don't want you to lose a little too much, and then now you gotta make more. You know what I mean? So your P&L, from what I see, is 1,917. Yeah, like around 380 is perfect. So you could be above 1,500 by like around $30. Yeah, bro, just try to lose around 380. So once you see negative 380, just get out. I would probably go longs, 5 contracts longs, since I think we're gonna keep going down. And then once you see negative 380, boom, exit as soon as you see that. Yeah, and then tomorrow you can make another 1.5 and then you pass. Come on, man. What is it, Norn? I mean, it's just Monday, so zero pullbacks is crazy. Yeah, it's gonna happen. Just keep holding until you see negative 380. This is probably like a small pullback, so. Now there was one time, bro. There was one time where I was trying to lose money too, and guess what, bro? My account balance went from 50,000 all the way to 90,000. I was like, bro, are you fucking serious, bro? And I wish it was a PA, bro. I like genuinely wish it was PA, but it was a eval. It went all the way. I was up 40 bands, bro. I was like, wow. Like I was trying to lose money and I made 40 bands on accident. It's like if only this was a funded, but it was a eval though. If it was a funded, bro, I would have been I would have been going crazy. I'm dead ass, bro. I have screenshots. Let me see if I can find them. Hold on. Favorites. Okay, this was this was before I hit 90,000. So right there I was up 20,000. It was a goddamn eval though. It was a eval though, man. I wish it was a PA, bro. If it was a PA, bro, I would. Uh, it'd be a whole different story right now. Nah, bro. I wish that was real, man. I wish that was real, bro. I mean, it is real, but like, as in like funded. You know, we're not. Man, we're not getting no Senos, man. Come on, what are you doing? Mm, coupon request. 4 days. Yes, should have. Man, I wish I did, Jay. I'm just not getting no proper setup, man. I mean, it's not really worth. It's not really worth me going shorts right now. Even though I'm pretty sure we're gonna go for this level. I mean, it's right there. I mean, why wouldn't we? I just can't. I just can't risk it, bro. Because if I lose, then it's not gonna be good. I mean, I lost for no reason. Damn, man. Hey, you can hear me? We good? We good? Yeah, look at that. All right, Jay. I mean, little no care. You should be down a good amount right now, right? All right, there we go. Nice. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. No care. Jay, no, I didn't mind. I really wanted a short, man. I really did, but it's just. Should have known off that 5 minute gap. Which 5 minute gap? This one? This is the only one yeah. I know, bro. I mean, it's just. It's not my setup, bro. I gotta stay loyal to my setup. You know, because I may have printed today, not following my setup, but the day that I don't follow my setup and I lose is not gonna be good. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, you know, you gotta follow your rules. You gotta follow your rules no matter what, bro. Trust me. It's gonna pay off. Maybe not this month, maybe not this week, but it's gonna pay off following your rules. It's been real. If I'm being honest, 100% transparent, it's been real hard to follow my rules, man. If this wouldn't have worked, I would have been hurt. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like like it messes with your mental, bro. Because like, for example, me, even though I know we're gonna go down, well, I don't know for sure. Right? I'm just like really confident. If I get in here and it has a pullback, which it could, and I get stopped out, and then it goes down and hits my TP, you know, it's really gonna trigger me if I'm being honest. Honestly, I'm not supposed to trade Mondays. Yeah, a lot of people don't trade Mondays, but I mean, there's nothing wrong with Mondays. I mean, if you figured out that you always steady keep losing Mondays, then yeah, skip out on Mondays. but every, but I peep a pattern. I always lose on Mondays every time. Yeah, but why do you lose though? Do you lose because you don't follow your rules, or your setup doesn't play out? Because if your setup doesn't play out, then that's different. Even when I follow my rules. Okay, well, yeah. I'm trying to pass this eval quick. But what eval you have? You have a flex. Flex. Okay. What's your PNL right now? Okay. So you haven't taken anything either? Do a duck race? What do you mean, duck race? Didn't take anything today. Hey, that's good though. That's good. I'm not. That's good because you're following your rules. I'm just watching. It's hard, huh? It's hard watching the markets, knowing you are confident that it's gonna do this and that. Trust me, bro. Trust me. I really wanted a short, like right here too, and then again like right here, like and then right now, bro. I still want to go short, man. It's like fog. It's real hard, man. It's real hard watching the market, knowing of this. So, yeah, man. Yeah, I have you guys watching, so I can't do some degen stuff. That saves me. Just share my screen. Going live on YouTube saves me. Banger. DMR. Yeah, DMR asleep. He doesn't have a funded, so. Hey, yo, Goku, chill, bro. Let's keep it PG right here, chat. Let's keep it PG. Nah, but like, come on, man. Like, this is. Okay, so 75 points. So I will hit the short minimum right here. And then hit this level, and then I do. It's because I on YouTube, bro. I do. I have some. Well, let me show you. But I mainly focus on Instagram. If I'm being real, yeah, I really don't get that much views here. But on Instagram, let me see. I haven't even checked my Instagram. Yeah, we're going down. Oh, look at this. The fuck is my feed, bro? I get more views here. Look at you. Look at y'all. Look at y'all liking more. 70, 80. But my trade videos only get like 20, 15, 20. Oh, this one got 40. Bro, I got banned, bro. I got banned on TikTok like 2 times, bro. 2 times. For no reason, bro. I swear. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not even sounding. Literally, bro. Like the same trades that I have on Instagram and YouTube are literally the same I've been posting on TikTok, and I got flagged for, I don't know, some dumb stuff, and they just banned me. I'm like, what? Like literally, all I'm doing is posting my trades, bro. I ain't doing nothing wrong. And then the captions, for example, this one. Like for example, this one or something. Gets touched by the market makers. Like I don't do this on TikTok. Like I remove the caption, because TikTok is very sensitive. For example, this one either. Watch this bean or I don't do this. Like I remove the caption. I remove the caption before I post it on TikTok. So yeah, I mean, on TikTok I remove the caption. Our government's, bro. Yeah. So like I don't know, man. I'm done. I'm done trying to make TikTok accounts, bro. I'm gonna end up getting banned again. So yeah, if tomorrow if you hit another 1.5 banger, then you pass your account. Yeah. Look at this chat. I knew it was gonna go down, bro. Like I was confident. Like bro, come on. Yeah, we're like right there. I mean, so how do payouts work? For the flex, bro, you need to trade a minimum of 5 days of 250 profit, and you're paid. And obviously, you're gonna have minimum payout of 500. So after that, you could request around 50% of your profits. Meaning, if your account is at 53,000, then you're up 3,000. You could request 1.5, and then 1.5 will be left to draw down. I lost 600 because I wanted to make 100 on Friday. They just see green ones. All right, chat. Let me end the stream on YouTube. I mean, I just wanted to stream that we was gonna go down here. Literally called it since the morning, since up here. So yeah, just because you know something's gonna happen doesn't mean you should enter, right? I mean, you gotta follow your rules.